Hi folks, welcome to Chiefkirk Outdoors. Got a couple things on the agenda today. First of all, I'd like to do a VR for a good pal of mine, and his name is T Sawyer. Now Ron has got 3 giveaways working, and I'm going to put a link to his video in mine, and there's 3 different ways you can win. He's got them for people who are not subscribed to him, and for people who are subscribed to him, and he's also going to pass around a flint and steel to be tried out. That's going to be fun. It's going to be interesting. So I will put the link. Go over and check him out and get in on that, because he's giving away some flint and steels that are just absolutely awesome. Now you may be wondering why I've got on all my West Virginia stuff. Well, I'm kind of reminiscent today. This is the day before Thanksgiving, and I can't help but think about growing up in West Virginia, which I'm not there anymore. I live in central North Carolina, but I still have family there, and I'm reminded of growing up in West Virginia, and we had a big family, and Thanksgivings were a very special time for us, and I'm reminiscent of that. It brings back very, very happy memories. And I hope you have a bunch of happy memories too, and I hope you have one tomorrow, or make one tomorrow. I hope that you are with people who love you, and so I'll say, go ahead and say Happy Thanksgiving to all of you. God bless you. Now, before I go, I can't hardly come out here and do a video without doing some kind of a fire. Now what I did was I took some of my shredded paper, put it in my little stove here, and I put some dryer lint that I just pulled out of the dryer in there a few minutes ago, and I'm gonna see if this thing will catch up. It may or it may not, I don't know, but we're gonna find out. And I'm using a square Nathan 4071 fire steel and striker that was sent to me by my pal Redneck Renegade. So let's see if we can get this to shower some sparks in here and get this going. Oh, it is going already. With that dryer lint, it sure don't take long. And I was kind of interested to see if it would catch up the paper that's underneath it. We'll see in just a minute. You know, folks, I think we're going to have a rip-roaring fire going here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that is working like a charm. Burning the paper. That's a nice fire, folks. That's a good hand warmer right there, and it is a little nippy out here today. Not real bad, it's in the 50s, but still a little cool. We got some cold weather coming, folks. I'm afraid this warm weather is not gonna be here long. So with that in mind, and this wonderful fire, I'm gonna say Happy Thanksgiving to all of you. God bless you. Don't forget, tell somebody you love them, and I'm gonna leave the link for Ron Sawyer's giveaways. You definitely need to get in on that. He's a terrific guy. But don't tell him I said that, because he'll get the big head. Thank you, folks.